Hello, friends! Today we are going to make amazing mini burgers. "500 grams flour, 1 egg, 50 grams oil, 30 grams sugar. Add 20 grams of yeast to 300 grams of warm water and mix well. Which country are you watching from? Write it in the comments. Add it to our dough. Knead the dough well. Let the dough rest for 20 minutes. You won't believe it. I'm really looking forward to your subscriptions. In the meantime, after the dough rises, divide it into pieces and shape them into balls. Grease the baking tray with oil and place the dough balls on it. For a beautiful golden crust, don't forget to subscribe. Mix a little milk with sesame seeds and brush the buns with it. Bake in the oven at 140 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Press the minced meat and shape it nicely. Add a little oil to the pan and fry the burger patties until cooked. Friends, don't forget to subscribe. When one side is golden brown, turn them over. Be sure to try making them. I'm sure you'll love them. Slice the cheese, cucumber, tomato, and other ingredients. Our buns are ready too. Now let them cool down a little. Cut the buns in half. Add the prepared ingredients and assemble the mini burgers. Did you enjoy watching our video? If you did, don't forget to leave a like. Enjoy your meal. Did you see how juicy they are?